Hi ho, Silver! Away! Oh. Oh. Ah, that's better.
Mom, we're going to make a snowman. First, we need to get that.
Oh, careful.
Make it even strong.
Yeah.
I need to get
Need to make another snowball through. Need to do another big snowball. That's what we need to do. Okay?
over here.
Yeah, you start making one. What's it called for you?
Grandad Elf Snowman.
Grandad Alf Snowman. I didn't put the name on her. She chose that herself, didn't you? This one?
Grandad Elf Snowman.
Right, gentle, gentle. Clever girl.
I need more snow.
Need another one.
There's snow over there.
Yeah, let's go get it through.
Because I'm not going to sit there.
Okay. Your hair's getting wet.
I can help put inside.
Yeah, of course I can. So that's your snowman through.
What?
That's yours. So we've got
Grandad Elf.
that's Freya's snowman. You need to go stand next to it and take a photo.
I'm just going to place my one.
Okay.
Wait.
This looks like there's loads more to come down. Whoa, right. Yeah, I'll take a photo.
I do that.
Ready? Smile. Good girl. And then we've got this one, which is what Freya called Grandad Alf. But now he's got eyes. Oh, he's smiling.
Daddy,
Uh-huh.
I want. Yeah!
Yeah. We're having a snow day through.
Yeah! Oh.
Oh. It's lush when it's like this, Freya. Whoa! You alright?
Yeah.
Do you like that coat? What happened there? We haven't got a sledge. Oh, sure. Spot on. Silky? I ain't got it. Whoa. Right, well, let's go in through it and you can go ski sledging, okay?
Okay. But I still have that on.
Yeah, keep that on, yeah. Definitely. Oh, this is our view outside. Obviously I've already been out twice today in it. Kate's going out now to take the band sledging. I've got to go to my nan's. It's crazy, isn't it? It's just to think that this could be one of the last, well, probably this is the last winter in this house. Served us well. Served us well. Right, now I'm going to go and play. Oh, let's not get rid of that. Yeah. mugshots. Yeah, let's go and help at the Hollywood household and get the boxes out the loft. Stay safe, yous. Stay safe. I mean, how deep it is that, like? Bloody hell. Off to the rescue. I mean, again, it's just a beast. Absolute beast, the Daisy is. Right. See what's going on in here.
Oh, where?
It's getting caught. Collecting the snow, that's why.
Oh no, it's got on with me.
Nice.
Oh, he's pushing her. Come on then.
Just slide down the arches and everything.
Aye.
Stop being like.
He should touch you like a pro. Have you seen all that?
Here we go.
Oh. She's like a safety crate.
It's like a bad snow day. Look at that for a picture. Unreal. Now I've got to go down these, oh god, and walk up the next bit. Wowzers. Yeah. It's unreal. I'll pull you. Yeah. And then if he falls in, it was his fault.
Is it water like?
To be fair, like I said, that's a nice little photo of him. Yeah. Oh, there's a little doggy coming through. Wow. I haven't really been around this lake that much. So, I mean, it's absolutely frozen solid all the way into the middle. So, I mean, even them, they're all standing on the ice. Yeah, it's beautiful. Lovely scenic view. It's working.
Now look at it, Noah. Stand up.
That's good, that. Oh, well done, Fro. I've got a photo of it there for you. Right.
Mum, look at mine.
Oh, you're doing really good.
There we go. Well, I did start that, but I didn't finish it. My mum took over and table salt. Do the job. Oh no. Oh no. Wait and see who is a bit of a bar humbug at this house. Right. Hasn't gone out and touched the snow at all, so it's just ooh. Well, here she comes.